high wind gusts and some heavy damage across the islands. Good evening, I'm Kenny Choi.
And I'm Yenji Denise. If you're hearing wind outside right now, it could keep howling throughout the night. We've got team coverage, Moani Kailua with how long the gusts will last. But first, we'll send it to Brenton Oahu with the destruction these winds caused on one Oahu school. Brenton.
Yanji, that school is Kailua Elementary out in Kailua. The gusts caused so much damage out there today that the school is going to be shut down tomorrow. At first glance, there's not much that seems wrong with this image until you see the whole picture. This is a hall near the cafeteria at Kailua Elementary, where Mother Nature took a bite out of its roof.
Me and one of my classmates were the only one who weren't praying or crying. All of my other classmates were crying, and I was praying for my life.
That was happening around lunchtime when some 50 students were eating. There was only one kid outside in this hall when a gust of wind peeled back these materials and threw them throughout the yard.
I saw a bunch of paper and stuff flying around off the roof, and it's just started falling to the ground and crashing.
Jake Smith was walking right here when it happened.
All this roofing started coming off, and I just start running to the door so I can get inside.
Even with all the debris flying around, nobody got hurt. All of the students nearby were taken back into class, and the area was cleared for safety.
We holded on to the bars over there, and we had to shimmy across the wall to keep us safe.
Cleanup is scheduled to happen tomorrow. That means school is canceled so that Department of Education crews can assess the situation.
Due to the high winds, the Department of Education facilities have not been able to do a thorough investigation and check out the structure and determine safety and next steps.
Several other schools in the Kailua-Kalaheo area were affected by today's strong wind. We're told the gusts knocked out power and covered some campuses with debris. Looking ahead, the DOE says that all schools in the Kailua-Kalaheo complex area except Kailua Elementary will be open tomorrow, weather permitting. Back to you.